Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to set up automatic savings plan on Cowrywise app. Now to do this, first of all you have to make sure you have a linked debit card. Now after you're sure of that, you now create the automated plan. You click on save by yourself, you'll see a plus right there. You give your plan a name, let's say car, continue. You enter the amount you want to save. Let's say it's a minimum of 1,000, so let's say 2,000. You choose how many times how frequently you want it to enter, like on which day, which is the automation process. If it's daily, if it's weekly, or if it's weekly, which day of the week exactly. If it's monthly, how many days of the month or the particular day you want the money to enter your account. If it's just once, just click just this once. But just this once doesn't make it automatic. Like it won't be automated. So I'm just going to put week. On Mondays it should be entering. For how long should you do this? It should be like 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 1 year, or let me choose it myself. So I'm just going to choose 3 months. Then you press continue. As you can see the summary, I'm saving 2,000 now with interest rate of 9.95 percent per annum. The maturity date will be September 29, 2026, and automation is not applicable here. Now, to make sure it's applicable, you can go back and be like, oh, okay, yeah, on weekdays, Tuesdays, yeah, because I chose just once, it's not applicable. The automation was not applicable, but now it is. So you just choose your payment method, either your bank transfer or your Naira stash. I'm going to use bank transfer. There is to tell you where to make the transfer and that. Once you're done with transfer, it's save. Now for an existing saving plan, you see the ultimate right there. Keep your plan on track with automatic top-ups. If you want this right there, will make it automated. Right now it's automated because I already chose it before. That whole thing I did. But if it's a plan that you have not chosen, you say right there automatic. Keep your plan on track with automatic top-ups. So you can either turn it off or turn it on. It tells you how it works, and that's it. Oh, alright. That's it. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching.